You've heard of cosmic bowling and blacklight mini golf, but guys, have you tried cosmic pickleball? Because we took the kids to Cosmo Pickleball Night at Third Shot Pickleball, and it was giving neon cardio, family bonding, and wait, why am I actually good at this? The lights are low, the music is on, and everything is glowing, and suddenly you're out there with a paddle acting like you're training for the Olympics, but in a cute, glowing outfit. And the best part, pickleball is so easy to learn. You can show up not knowing a thing, and 5 minutes later, you're serving, volleying, laughing, and pretending you invented the sport. This is such a fun family night because kids can play, parents can play, nobody has to be perfect, and everyone gets to be a little dramatic when they score a point. It's like cosmic bowling and blacklight mini golf had a sporty little baby. So grab the kids, wear the neon, and go try Cosmo Pickleball Night at Third Shot Pickleball. It's active, hilarious, and way more fun than sitting at home watching everyone ask for snacks.